Hi, I'm Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to try a mango recipe from the state of Gujarat. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So the first thing that we have to do is, in a bowl I've taken salt to taste, gram flour, jaggery, I've used powder jaggery, some ginger and green chilli paste, some turmeric powder. In here I've got mango pulp. I've taken about 1/4 cup. I've taken 1 cup of curd. So into this we are going to add the curd and the mango pulp. Now we'll mix all of this together. And I've got 2 cups of water in here. I'm going to add the water into this. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. The next step is to heat some oil. I've used around 1 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add in mustard seeds and cumin seeds. We'll wait for it to splutter. Once the mustard and cumin splutters, we'll add in dry red chilli, some asafoetida, and let it cook for a minute. In here I've got a coarse mixture of dried ginger powder, cloves and cinnamon. I've just coarsely ground it. Now we'll add these spices into the pan along with some curry leaves. We'll mix everything and cook it for around 2 minutes. So the spices have cooked nicely. Now we'll add in the curd and mango mixture into this. Bring the flame to low, and in low flame we'll cook this for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. So I've cooked the curry for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame and it's ready to be served. So you can serve this dish with either roti or rice. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.